That's why every game is so important. FEU has a chance to tie Ateneo if they win this game.
And so the ball game is underway. First possession goes to FEU. They are in their FEU green uniforms. UP is in immaculate white. Daa fielding the pass. Mongkopa is an inside-outside threat. And Konate, of course, he is such a stalwart in the paint for Coach Sean Chambers.
He's such a luxury to have for FEU because not only can he finish those drop passes, he also anchors their paint defensively on the other end.
First possession for the Tamaraws and Remogat. And you can appreciate it as a shooter. Bautista. Tied ball game at 2 apiece. A swipe by Jedrick Daa. And Daa goes all the way for the slam.
Okay.
That was, I think, surprised a lot of people, including the FEU bench.
I was shocked for sure. I didn't know he had that. Okay, Jedrick, I see you.
I think he really wants to set the tone for this game. A 2-point lead for FEU. Remogat and touch passing for the Fighting Maroons. And Belmonte with a smooth touch. This dunk of the game is brought to you by Dunkin. Pasalubong ng bayan and parang yung buwelo niya.
Oh. Using his body to position himself.
Battle for the loose ball. And it ends up with the Tamaraws. Good job by Joric Bautista. Here's Kirby Mongkopa with a pull-up. That's good. As a player, you cannot dwell on 1 misses or 2 misses as Konate spins. Stevens with a rebound.
Next shot is always in. That's the mentality.
You forget the miss and you take the next shot. Nice quick move by Jerry Abadiano. That layup earlier off the baseline move. And then Abadiano now pulling up. That's a tough shot.
Abadiano is extra aggressive to start.
Parang dyan na nagkakaroon ng pagkakaiba.
Exactly, yeah. And FEU has one of the top starting fives for sure. I think they lead the league.
3 minutes remaining in the opening quarter. Tamaraws down by 6. Alarcon with a rebound. Quick forward pass. Jacob Baila will sky and score.
And that's always been the key for UP is their defense. They start on defense and that fuels their transition game.
Excellent move by Francis Noruka.
Check out this move. Francis Noruka. Post up, drop, step. Not much you can do there. Picking up full court.
Mongkopa way outside. Under a minute remaining in the opening quarter. Nice shot for Kirby Mongkopa. He has 4 points. It's all about learning, non-stop learning, relearning as Noruka fires. And he beats the buzzer.
Everything going well for UP right now, both defensively and offensively. They're just making it tough for Pasaol and Bautista. And of course, as I say that, Bautista hits a 3.
You were saying, Mr. Theo, that rapid 3-point shot is brought to you by Yamaha Aerox. Fast, never looks back.
Bautista's like, what's tough?
What are you talking about? Cortea starts the second quarter with Noruka, who fires a 17-footer, and that's good. And they're joined by Stevens, Torres. Lots of time to shoot for FEU. 8 minutes remaining in the second quarter. Pasaol over Stevens. No open looks for Pasaol still. As we go to Jury Marasigan with the latest on FEU. Jury?
Rico and Tyler, Jedrick Daa had the flu last game and had to celebrate their win far from each other.
Yes, bankable assist of the half. Get the best assist for your dream ride. And we see the entry of Miguel Palanca, number 17 for UP. Shot knocked down to 8. Abadiano still aggressive here in the second quarter.
Good defense from Mongkopa, challenging the shot without fouling.
Here's Bautista with a fake. Bautista with a drive outside Mongkopa. Mongkopa goes left. Kirby Mongkopa on the move, and he gets the 2 points.
That is so tough.
The drive of the quarter is brought to you by Home Credit. Get it with Home Credit. Hey, quick response from Miguel Palanca.
Pasaol going one-on-one against Abadiano as FEU clears out the whole right side for him. Maybe that's what they need to do.
That's one way to get Pasaol his looks. Oh, look at that. Very swift responses by UP after every FEU basket. And shot clock down to 10. Open shot, Remogat. That rapid three-point shot is brought to you by Yamaha Aerox. Fast, never looks back.
So Abajano goes right back at Pasaol. This time going to the post. And they get a three.
On the move with a spin. Fall away is good.
My goodness. But look at that defense from Baila.
Bautista. That shot is challenged, but Bautista says, it's okay. You can raise your hand. Konate inside against Alter. Konate will score.
So they score off that top ball screen with Konate and Pasaol.
Hey, it happened again. Felipe goes right. Runner, no go. Offensive rebound, Konate. Konate, double team, doesn't matter.
What a finish by Konate on top of two UP defenders. And that's what you need to do against the zone is crash the offensive glass. Or pull up from 30 feet and knock down the three.
Officials on the floor. Here we go. Moncopa, handoff. Pasaol on the move. Pasaol gets away. And then putback is good for Mo Konate. So, welcome to the third quarter in this battle between Diliman and Moraita. It is UP against FEU, and Mo Konate continues to score inside with 11 points. He also has 5 rebounds.
And I like what FEU did there, establishing their big man right away in the paint with a post touch.
UP starts the third quarter with Remogat, who loses the ball. And then Pasaol, probably the easiest look he's seen all game.
Definitely, and good start for FEU here.
Boost 15 essential ceramides to actively hydrate and restore skin barrier. Cetaphil for everyone, sensitive skin.
FEU is sticking with their 2-3 zone. It's been working for them. That's 2 straight stops for FEU.
Here's Moncopa on the move. And a basket is good, plus the foul.
You see here, Kirby Moncopa going coast to coast, left to right crossover, and 1 layup.
That's a big guy doing all of that, huh?
Sticking with their 2-3 zone. A little bit extended as well, obviously, with Remogat there.
That rapid three-point shot is brought to you by Yamaha Aerox. Fast, never looks back.
Of course, right as I say, they're extending their zone. Remogat hits the 3 in their face.
Oh, Joric Bautista answers back with his own three-point shot.
This courtside report is brought to you by BDO. We find ways. Now back to you, Mika and Tyler.
That's right, Judy. It will take composure to completely climb back in this game. Unfortunately for FEU, that he was very composed. Ganny Stevens, who got that PS Bankable assist of the half, get a winning move for your dream home in one day with PS Bank. Home loan, apply now. Pasaol, no go. Pasaol got his own miss. Pasaol raised by Noruka. Baila, forward pass. Remogat for 2. Remogat over to Stevens. Stevens against Moncopa. That's a great matchup at the post.
That's a great matchup in the post.
You play hard. So now the players know that the momentum is theirs, but so is the responsibility. The second half will be the test of not just their stamina, but their character. So this courtside report is brought to you by BDO. We find ways. Now back to you, Nico and Tyler.
Thank you, Cheska. Kirby Moncopa hitting a three-point shot moments ago. As Remogat fires, misses the 3, long rebound. Oh, nice save by Baila. Here's Remogat. Remogat hang time.
Leading to this left-hand stretch layup over Konate.
Back to live action. Pull up by Pasaol. And then Konate with an offensive rebound. Konate now with 13 points and 6 rebounds.
Really doing a great job on the offensive glass is Konate. And FEU.
Shot clock down to 8. Alarcon in motion. Alarcon, what will he do here? Alarcon inside side step. Beauty. Good. Remogat can pick the ball up. Briones. One dribble pull-up is good.
And that's UP for you. Anyone on their team, one dribble pull-up gets the job done.
Meantime, here's Pasaol. Has to give the ball up. And then a basket is good for Jedrick Daa. He's had to work hard on defense.
For sure. And the rest of his teammates have picked up the slack offensively as well.
Look at that.
UP goes for the blind side trap.
This defensive move of the half is brought to you by Clearman. Power up your danger-free scalp. Supercharged with Clear.
A new kind of confidence, one built from months of quiet and consistent work. All off-season, Terrence trained closely with the team's strength and conditioning coach. Coach Dwight De Mayo told me last season really couldn't do much and just maintain his weight since he was still recovering from his knee injury, but now his condition has been cleared. So they are now focused on building strength, power, and endurance, making sure he could move better, recover faster, and stay strong throughout the season. So this courtside report is brought to you by BDO.
Because he's in fantastic shape entering season 88. This super play of the quarter is brought to you by Converge Super Fiber Egg.
He's shown this year he can play defense too.
Oh, nice swipe. Paila elevates and scores. You were saying that he's a two-way player?
Makikisama sa teammates mo at sa coaches mo. With the coaches being his second fathers, he said that he will just obey the game plan, do what's right, and trust his brothers in the team.
Look out, Cortea thought about it. They go to the left side. Baila against Bautista, and Baila will score. A lot of power in that drive of the quarter, brought to you by Home Credit. Get it with Home Credit.
He just muscled his way to the paint there. That's weight room work for Baila.
Pasaol, two-man game with Konate. Pasaol, Joric from the corner. Yes, sir!
Now look, Baila is now the one tasked to fully deny Bautista. But FU goes into Konate and he finishes again.
Konate with 20 big points, along with 7 rebounds.
He has been the bright spot for them offensively.
Cortea. Oh, they left him open.
And UP is now slowing down the game because they know they have the lead. And Noruka just follows his own miss there. Raylan Torres got Harold Alarcon.
Hey, nice pass. No look pass. Kirby Moncopa to Mo Konate, who has 22 points. Mo Konate keeping FEU within shouting distance here with under 5 minutes remaining in the fourth quarter. Stevens. Belmonte fakes. Belmonte drives for 2. This dunk of the game is brought to you by Duncan Pasalubong. Nowhere to go.
Just hounding defense.
Well, that's how you score against relentless defense. You shoot from the logo.
Just shoot it from 30 feet sometimes.
19 points for Joric Bautista. Fighting Maroons still ahead, 79-67 as we approach the last 3 minutes of the fourth quarter. Belmonte on the left side. Belmonte handoff to Alarcon. Alarcon on the move, baseline handoff. Gany Stevens for 2. Talansang drives, sets up Da. Da for 3. That's good.
That's a big shot from Da. They still have a chance here with 3 minutes left. They need to put together some stops now, though.
7 points for Jedrick Da. 3 minutes remaining in the fourth and final quarter. Of course, UP, they'll be very patient here. Lob pass, Stevens for 2. And now FEU needs to hurry here. With a minute and 28 remaining in the fourth.
They need to go to their quick hitter offenses. And they do.
21 points for Bautista after that drive of the quarter, brought to you by Home Credit. Get it with Home Credit.
4 possession game here. They need a stop right now. They're applying pressure on the ball as they should.
Here's Remogat. Picked up by Konate. Noruka, great pass to Gany Stevens.
Play safe.
Shot clock down to 7. Alarcon, lob pass, Noruka. Up short. UP will go on to win this game. This dunk of the game is brought in by Duncan Pasalubong ng Bayan.
Like I said, play it safe or get a lob dunk. That works too. You want to put the game away? Ooh, got up there.